Imagine a microscopic organism, a single-celled parasite making its way into your brain. It sounds like science fiction, but for millions, it's reality. This parasite, Toxoplasma Gondii, can impact human behavior. It's a master of manipulation, subtly influencing who we are. Toxoplasma belongs to protozoa, diverse single-celled organisms. Cats play a crucial role in its life cycle. Its impact on human behavior fascinates scientists and the public. Toxoplasma manipulates brain chemistry, altering our personalities. Toxoplasma Gondii embarks on a remarkable journey as it travels from host to host, its ultimate destination often being the brains of unsuspecting animals, including humans. This journey, known as its life cycle, is a testament to the parasite's adaptability and resilience. The story begins with cats, the definitive hosts of Toxoplasma Gondii. Inside the intestines of infected cats, Toxoplasma reproduces sexually, producing millions of oocysts, which are shed in the cat's feces. These oocysts are incredibly hardy and can survive in the environment for months, contaminating soil, water, and even our food. Humans can become infected with Toxoplasma through various routes. One common way is through contact with contaminated cat litter. Accidental ingestion of oocysts is another route of infection. This can occur by consuming undercooked meat from infected animals, particularly pork and lamb. Fruits and vegetables washed with contaminated water can also harbor the parasite, highlighting the importance of proper food hygiene. What makes Toxoplasma particularly fascinating is that it can even be transmitted from a pregnant woman to her developing fetus. The prevalence of Toxoplasma Gondii infection is surprisingly high. Estimates suggest that over 2 billion people worldwide, roughly 1/3 of the human population, carry this parasite within their bodies. What makes this statistic even more intriguing is that most individuals infected with Toxoplasma are completely unaware of its presence. This is because the parasite often causes no noticeable symptoms, particularly in healthy individuals. For years, it was widely believed that only individuals with weakened immune systems were at risk of developing severe complications from Toxoplasma infection. While it's true that people with compromised immunity, such as those with HIV/AIDS or undergoing chemotherapy, are more susceptible to severe illness, the reality is that Toxoplasma can affect anyone. Even healthy individuals can experience subtle changes in their behavior and personality as a result of infection. The misconception that Toxoplasma only poses a threat to a select few has led to a lack of awareness about the true extent of its impact. It's only in recent years, with advancements in research and diagnostic techniques, that we've begun to understand the widespread nature of Toxoplasma infection and its potential implications for human health. The dopamine connection unraveling Toxoplasma's influence on behavior. Toxoplasma Gondii can manipulate human behavior by influencing brain chemistry. It increases dopamine levels, a neurotransmitter crucial for mood and motivation. Dopamine creates feelings of pleasure, reinforcing behaviors. Known as the feel-good neurotransmitter, it motivates us to seek pleasure. Toxoplasma hijacks our reward system, subtly influencing behavior. Increased dopamine reduces fear and anxiety by regulating the amygdala. This may explain why infected individuals exhibit reduced fear and greater risk-taking. Altered states, the surprising links between Toxoplasma and human actions. The influence of Toxoplasma Gondii on dopamine levels has been linked to a range of behavioral changes in infected individuals. Studies have shown that people infected with Toxoplasma are more likely to engage in risky behavior, such as reckless driving and impulsive decision-making. This correlation between Toxoplasma infection and risk-taking has been observed in various populations and across different cultures, suggesting a universal effect of the parasite on human behavior. One study found that individuals infected with Toxoplasma were 2.65 times more likely to be involved in a traffic accident than uninfected individuals. These findings have led researchers to speculate that Toxoplasma infection could be a contributing factor to a significant number of traffic accidents worldwide. The parasite's ability to reduce fear and increase risk-taking may make infected individuals more likely to engage in dangerous driving behaviors. Now that we've explored the intriguing ways Toxoplasma Gondii can influence human behavior, it's essential to understand how to protect yourself from this widespread parasite. While Toxoplasma infection can have profound effects, there are several simple steps you can take to minimize your risk. First, always practice good hygiene, especially after handling raw meat or soil. Make sure to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Second, cook meat thoroughly to safe temperatures. This will kill any Toxoplasma cysts that might be present in the meat. Third, wash fruits and vegetables before eating them. This is crucial as they can be contaminated with Toxoplasma from the soil. Fourth, avoid drinking untreated water. Stick to bottled or properly filtered water, especially in areas where water quality is uncertain. Fifth, if you have a cat, keep it indoors and avoid handling stray cats. Cats are primary hosts for Toxoplasma and can shed the parasite in their feces. Lastly, clean litter boxes daily and, if possible, have someone who is not pregnant handle this task. Pregnant women are particularly at risk for severe complications from Toxoplasma infection. By following these simple steps, you can significantly reduce your risk of Toxoplasma infection. Stay safe and informed. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the fascinating world of Toxoplasma gondii. From its microscopic existence to its profound impact on human behavior, this parasite continues to challenge our understanding of biology and neuroscience. As research advances, who knows what new discoveries await? If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more mind-blowing stories of science, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us continue unraveling the mysteries of the universe, one discovery at a time. See you in the next episode.